tes. Cek 1, 2, 3. Ya, welcome to kita nanti ya. Di pagi nanti Yogyakarta. Ibarat air di daun keladi, walaupun tergenang tetapi tak meninggalkan bekas. Apabila tersentuh, dahannya bergoyang, air pun tertumpah, tercurah habis, tak tinggal lagi. Begitu juga cintamu padaku, cinta hanya separuh hati, kau lepas kembali. Nanti di suatu masa kau akan merasa betapa sakitnya hati kecewa karena cinta. Bila kau lihat kemudian lebih.
But you don't speak anything. Just accompany me beside of me. Okay, deal. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, our happiness should be started by remembering of our friends, to those who have already left us eternally. So I really need you for a best praying to our PYs who have already left us. We have 5 PYs, and in other countries maybe 3 or 4, and they've already gone firstly rather than us. So please give a best praying for them, and I would like to lead you in order of your religions. The prayings has begun. Di mana dia berada, seperti apa yang ada pada sisi saya ini, dia adalah Diana.
Yang nomor berapa ya? Yang nomor berapa ya Pak?
Tambah lagi 3. Ada Sakinah, Mawadah, Warohmah, Wanamba. Wanamba. Good question.
Wish a warm welcome to my good buddy here, Julahi, who has made it. He had some health issues, yet he's made it today. We are so proud of you, and we are so happy that you are here today. From the bottom of my heart.
Okay.
That's what friends are for.
Sekarang saya sudah jadi raja nih sekarang.
When we hold on together, when we hold on together.
With you, I hear you sing forevermore. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. What do I know how much I love you? One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. What do I know how much I love you? You're not change my whole life, but nothing gonna change my love for you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. What do I know how much I love you? One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You want to know about how much I love love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Yes, nothing gonna change my love for you. Darwisa. Now is for Darwisa. Ikaw ang gusto ko.
Bahasa mana itu?
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. But I know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. But I know how much I love you. The world might change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Keep the road ahead is no sorrow.
So that's why she is my teacher. Please give a big hand to our teacher, Ibu Ami. Yes, Ibu Ami. And then I go with her.
Selamat malam semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will give a speech, as a welcoming speech, but I need some company. Please, Rika, come here and Mustain. And also Ares. Please, Ares, come here.
Oh, so sweet. So sweet. The program is begun.
Yes, I will give a speech in Jawa, and then Mustain will translate in English, and Rika in Japanese.
I thank all of you very much for really wanted to come here, leaving your family at home, regardless of your status and your busyness. All of you are willing to do and to come here just to be with us for this reunion. Very memorable and very unforgettable experience.
皆さんいろんな状況の中はるばるこちらにいらしていただいて、家族を置いてだとかいろんな忙しい中こちらにいらしていただいて本当に感謝いたします。もう皆さん一緒になってこうやって出会うためにわざわざスケジュールを空けてそうやってアレンジして、来てくださったということで本当にもう感謝いたします。
Taos puso kami nagpapasalamat sa pagpunta ninyo dito sa Yogyakarta, mga galing sa Brunei, galing sa Malaysia, galing sa Singapore, sa Japan at sa Pilipinas. Kami lugod na nagagalak para i-host kayo dito, para kayo ay aming maging bisita at iniwan ninyo ang iyong mga pamilya, mga trabaho para makapunta para sa isang masaya at memorable na reunion.
Come up, solid B, solid B. Todo iwa o fukuro no desa na susuni. Ano furusato e kaero kana, kaero kana. Solid B, solid B. Sorry, Charlie. Hi, Ima. Bagus ako ni Hongi no ko ni Imas ne. Sorry, Charlie. Okay. Solid C. To those who are in Solid C, please.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so
No, so not see, not you.
yeah.
Hey, see, oh yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
More than solid A, you know solid A only two. Ambil gambar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, thank you. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
Apakah ini satu pembalasan?
Okay, my name is Arnold Paviliore and I come from the Philippines.
My name is Haridas Nagalingam. I come from Malaysia.
Dan nama saya Osamu dari Jepang.
Oke. Ini acara apa?
Ini acara reuni untuk teman-teman yang kita berjumpa 35 tahun lalu, tahun 89. Kami semua berkumpul di satu kapal dipanggil NIppon Maru dan berjalan ke semua, masa itu 6 negeri ya. Masa itu 6 negeri sampai ke Jepun. So setiap tahun kita cuba sedaya upaya untuk buat reuni supaya teman-teman lama kita berjumpa.
Dari Filipina, apa pentingnya reuni ini?
What do you think? Why is the importance of this reunion?
Yeah, reunion is very important because this is really giving us more energy, you know, especially after being together for how many months, you know, in the program, you know, that brought people from different cultures together and then reliving those memories, you know, and having this reunion from one place to another. Yep.
Okay. Now, in Yogyakarta, what do you think about Yogyakarta?
Yes, so this is a very quiet and a very historical town. So unfortunately, I arrived just in the evening, so I couldn't much see the town. But really, I'd like to see the whole of the town. Very interesting.
Right. It's very difficult to call many friends from the other countries. It's been a long time ago. It's very difficult.
Yes, it is difficult, but I think there is this energy, this commitment from all our friends to be together. You know, the ship had 35 participants from 7 countries at that time, but we can't get everyone here. But to me, I think mereka yang rugi, bukan kita. Mereka yang bersama kita yang rugi sebab kita sudah 35 tahun, 34 tahun bersama dan kita masih mempunyai semangat untuk bersama.
From Philippines.
Yep. Yeah.
What do you think about your dress? Traditional.
Personally, you know, I feel like I'm going to marry the next day. Someone from Yogyakarta. That's what, but this is really you feel elegant, huh?
Yeah.
You feel important when you wear this dress. Somebody told me about what is this dress, about also the headdress, and I feel proud that I'm wearing this. I didn't take it off except for a few minutes because I feel really hot. But all the way, yeah, I'm wearing this. This is really very good.
And you, Mr.?
No, I think it gives us an opportunity to understand the culture, but it's just fantastic. Only Siap Reunion does it. We go to Bali, we wear the Balinese clothes. Last year we were in Padang and we wore Padang clothes, so it's just fantastic. And when I send these pictures to my family and my friends, they say, "Hey, you guys are really lucky, you know, to go through this."
And you, Sam?
Yes, actually, because in each country now we have a friend, right? So this time we visited Yogyakarta, but we have many Indonesian friends. So through those friends, we could talk each other about each country, about each culture, and especially wearing this kind of traditional, we are really happy.
Do you have a plan about next reunion?
We have no plans, but we will decide in the next 2-3 days which country. Every year we ask one country to host the reunion. But so happened that last year we had in Padang, but Indonesia was gracious to organize this again in Jogja. But that is because Indonesia is such a big country, you know, and cultures are different, people are different.
Yeah,
so
that's true.
what we saw in Padang was different. What we are seeing
So in
here-
Bali also is different.
yeah, it's so different. So hopefully one of the countries that are here today will will take up the challenge to organize this. It could be Philippines, it could be Brunei, it could be Malaysia. So it all depends how excited we get in the next 2-3 days.
Let's hope the next reuni to the Papua with the traditional costume.
Papua.
Papua.
I'm fine. You're fine.
Do you ready with the traditional costume?
No, I know, but
No clothes.
my roommate in the ship
Matias.
was Matias, and he's from Papua. I learned a lot of things from him, but it's unlucky that he could not make it today. He's supposed to come, but he could not come.
Oke, thank you gentlemen. Yang begitu panjang, kemudian dengan beragam negara, dengan jarak yang jauh-jauh itu, bagaimana mengorganize teman-teman peserta reuni?
Ya, karena kita punya grup WhatsApp dan karena punya hikmah dari reuni-reuni yang sebelumnya, jadi tidak begitu sulit untuk mengorganize. Jadi mereka memprioritaskan untuk datang ke sini. Bahkan tadi Pak Heridas mengatakan, dia bilang ke keluarganya, schedule agenda reuniku jangan diosasi, jangan di dengan hal lain. Jadi dia kemarin ke Australia, ketemu anaknya, itu anaknya udah tahu kalau agendanya adalah jangan nabrak dengan reuni. Jadi reuni sebetulnya menjadi first priority.
Sebagai host di Yogyakarta, sebetulnya apa yang ingin ditampilkan Yogyakarta, yang dikenalkan ke Yogyakarta oleh mereka?
Ya, bahwa Yogyakarta adalah rich in culture, kita kota wisata, kita kota pendidikan, dan bagaimana mereka bisa merasakan ada feel tentang Jogja, mempunyai experience yang bisa dibawa pulang dengan baik.
Thank you.